Assalamu alaikum. Thank you another part. This part is actually I will try a practical session. Already I opened the terminal. One terminal is Windows based, another terminal is Linux based. At first, I want to see firewall status. So it's a Linux terminal. So uname it's a Linux terminal. It's a Windows terminal. So right now I will clear. I think this disable. So at first, try the status firewall like that, a Linux system. So command as a system ctl status firewall tree. That means package. It's a firewall tree. It also actually loaded user lib system ctl system firewall like that. It's a firewall status. So it's a firewall status. So like that, it's a I see Windows based. That means nav firewall show okay. I don't know. This is as show. So that means show the configuration. Okay. So W. They cannot be found. Then it's the PowerShell command prompt. Here, command prompt means okay. I just do it. Nav firewall. That means okay, just to wait. See load net net sorry for that. I cannot see the Windows base because I I think I have some issue. So next time I will try. Linux base is deep security is have something issue. So firstly, yeah, it's active. So the firewall is a system active. Then we are see some about change. Actually, at first the system when you set up your fresh system install one task is a install. Then start, then enable the services. Show status is a step the firewall configuration. I think you can understand. So right now we are trying actually IP travel. So yeah, install IP travel. Just do it. Already installed the system. Actually, the system is installed our area. That's why I will discuss some issue and some configuration of others firewall. That means right now. Okay. So it's discuss about IP table, but I forget it. Firewall discuss about firewall. Firewall. It's a basic firewall about the system. So we are discussing right now firewall.